Hi, this video will explain to you how to use confidence interval to investigate a case studies. And later on, I'll demonstrate how to use Minitab to construct a confidence interval. This case study is a subway crisis. It's a foot-long sub, really 12 inches. Upon reading the news article, Thomas took a sample by buying a foot-long subway sandwiches per day for 30 days. He measured each sandwich before consuming it and recorded the reading as follows. Altogether, there are 30 readings. We use a Minitab to calculate the statistical summary of the sample and it's shown on top here. Assume that the length of Subway foot-long sandwiches is normally distributed. Construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean length of Subway foot-long sandwiches. Hence, interpret the result. Thus, Thomas has a reason to doubt that the mean is actually 12 inches. First, the solution calculated by hand, the 95% confidence interval for the true mean is x bar plus x star s over n. X bar is 11.83 as given by the Minitab report, and the standard deviation is 0.36874 from the report, and the sample size is 30. For 95% confidence interval, the z-score is 1.96. From there, we calculate confidence interval is 11.7 to 11.96. Thomas is 95% confident that the mean length of the Subway foot-long sandwiches is captured between 11.7 to 11.96 inches. Since the value of 12 inches falls outside this interval, it is reasonable to doubt the Subway foot-long sandwiches are truly 12 inches on average. The following is a Minitab demo on confidence interval CI. Here, I have imported the Subway sandwiches 30 data set into Minitab. Let's do the calculation. First, I go to statistic and do a descriptive statistic here. For descriptive statistic, and import the length as my variable, and then OK. So I have a summary of this statistic now. There are 30 sample. The mean is 11.83. Standard deviation is 0.36874, and all this information for reference. Next, I want to test whether the true mean of the Subway sandwiches is actually 12 inches. To do this, I go to statistic to look for confidence interval. So select one sample z-test, then sample length is the length, and the standard deviation, I can copy the answer from the summary statistic, which is equal to 0.3674, and perform a hypothesis test about the true mean, whether this mean is really 12. Then, OK. Before we do that, we make sure that we are 95% confident interval first. Then, OK. So we find that confidence interval In this case, it's 11.6981 or 11.7 to 11.96, which is identical to what we have calculated earlier. So in this case, we know that this confidence interval doesn't include 12. So we suspect that the 12 inches sandwiches from Subway is not really 12 inches.